We chose DMG Mori for the quality, the finance package, tooling package, and it helps us produce a lot more parts, the quality of parts, and gives us a better quality of life.
We're here up in Scotland in sunny Aberdeen at Rogue Engineering with Jeff. We're going to be talking about, they've just invested in 3 brand new DMG Mori machines, and you've only been going a year. Can you just explain how you guys started, what you guys make?
Well, we started on the manual machines, just making parts from oil industry, for renewables, agricultural, just anywhere that we could get the work from. Obviously, the manual machines, you're a wee bit longer hours, getting the burns, getting the holding the tolerances and things on manuals can be a lot harder, especially not having DRO or things like this. Going on to the DMG Moris, it's day and night kind of thing. Yeah.
Brilliant. So you started on 2 manual machines,
Yeah.
which you used for 6 months.
Yeah.
And then what happened? What happened after that?
Well, the plan was always to get CNCs. We had paid for a deposit, so we're just waiting on the machines to be built. Obviously, we hit the ground with the manual machines, and just that kept us going. So, and managed to get us to the next stage with the CNCs.
So what happened to the business when you transitioned from using manual machines to having what are fantastic machine tools land on your shop floor?
You can rely a lot more on, you can leave the machine to do it itself. You don't need to obviously be there pulling the levers and working
winding the handles.
Yeah, winding the handles. The CNCs you can program. Obviously, we're shop floor programming at the moment, so you can leave the machines to do their job, then go into the next machine and start programming it and getting it ready for the next lot.
But these aren't just any CNCs as well. Why did you go for the DMG Mori brand?
We had a look at several different brands, but just through the research, we just thought these were the best in the market. And for the automation side of things, which we're wanting to go as well, we thought this was the best way to go.
But so automation meaning you've got bar feeders on both the lathes you've got.
Yes, yeah.
And then you might be looking at automation maybe for the milling side as well.
Yeah, we'll be looking into robot arms, getting machines with gantry or PH cells, just to keep us going 24/7.
Brilliant. So after doing your research and finding that you thought DMG was top of the market, what have they delivered, and what are you happy with, and what can you use these machines for now?
I mean, it's top quality, they're easy to use. The touch screen on the CLX is amazing. The Mitsubishi controls is also good on the NLX. It's just so easy to use.
What about productivity and part quality then, going from running manuals, which are completely different to these top quality machines?
Going on to the CNCs from the manuals, we're getting 3 to 4 times more. The surface quality is better because you can get the speeds and the feeds to help the tools get the quality. Plus, you're getting the coolant flooding onto the job as well, so it's keeping the jobs nice and cool and keeping the sizes.
Brilliant. So productivity has increased,
Yeah.
but you've not compromised. Have you compromised on part quality?
No, part quality is there. It's top notch. Yeah.
So what does that mean for you when you can set up one of these machines and then you can run, you can go back, make a cup of tea, and you can rely on the part quality? What does that mean for the business? What does that mean for the day-to-day running?
It means I can spend more time quoting for more work, getting more work out the door, packaging it up, and yeah, it's just.
So could you sum up what it's done for your business, what it was like before the manuals, and now you've got these DMG Mori machines? Could you sum up what that means for you right now?
It means a better quality of life, to be honest. Being on the manuals, we're doing longer hours, trying to get the same amount of work out. Whereas going on to CNCs, we can reduce our work day and yeah, spend more time at home.
Brilliant. So, okay, so it sounds like it's obviously these are successful from a technical point of view, but
Yeah.
from a financial point of view, how did the financial package help you, and what did you go for, and what did you need from this finance package?
We had a look at buying a second-hand machine, but obviously you've got the huge outlay to start with. You don't know what you're buying. It could come with its own problems, and then spending more money on it. Whereas buying the DMG Mori machines, with the finance package was amazing. We had 6 months before we had to start paying for the machine. We got a tooling package in with it. So all that really helped make the decision for us.
So more time to quote, more time to build a business and manage the engineering side. Check out DMG Mori for a brand new machine tool that you don't have to pay for right now.